Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cucumber Collins. Super refreshing cocktail. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need gin, I'm using Hendrick's, elderflower liqueur, simple syrup, club soda, fresh lemon juice, and cucumber. Alright, I'm going to start by adding some cucumber chunks into a mixing glass, about 5 or 6. We're going to muddle it. Next, I'm going to add ice. Half ounce of fresh lemon juice. Half ounce of simple syrup. Half ounce of elderflower liqueur. And 1.5 ounces of Hendrick's. I'm gonna add the garnish into the glass. I'm gonna add fresh ice. We're gonna double strain it. And finally, I'm just gonna top it off with club soda. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, this is good. Super refreshing cocktail. I definitely can taste soft cucumber and a hint of the elderflower. Now this is a great cocktail for any occasion. Even if you don't like gin, you need to give this one a try. I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the cucumber Collins. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!